Hi, my name is Pham. I'm a software engineering intern here at KEB America, and I'm also a student at the University of Minnesota. I'm currently working on the F6 elevator drive on the software development team. So the way I found out about KEB America was my brother works here actually, but yes, he did influence me a little bit. The option of working with my brother and a small company versus not working with my brother did play a part, but as soon as I walked in these doors, I knew I was home. So first time I went into the building actually was the interview, and they gave me the tour. I think I had a smile the whole time, and it was just cool to see the warehouse and the stuff that I could potentially be working on and see it being built. They gave me an option of starting in the summer or starting in the school year, and for me I really like working and going to school at the same time. I've been here for a while as an intern, so it's been 1.5 years, so I've done quite a bit of projects, so I do get a lot of experience in multiple fields. The first one that was put on is just the F6. That is an elevator drive that we code here in-house, and that's coded in C, C++. We use scripting for Python. Any sort of elevator features or safety features that we need, we'll program into it. But that really gave me a lot of embedded systems programming skills. Another project that I got put on is the ATS, automated testing system, and that's in C#, so a completely different language than what I was working on before. So kind of went from implementing software in the F6 to testing it. I've also built some desktop applications in C#. Yeah, a lot of testing, a lot of firmware, a lot of documentation goes into it, and a lot of communication with senior management. They trust me, they do expect high things from me, but it really helped me grow as a person and as a software engineer. It's a very tight-knit group, so no matter what project I'm on, I know I can talk to anyone and they'll help me out. Because they trust me, I've been able to gain a lot of experience and do a lot of tasks that I normally wouldn't, even tasks that I didn't think I was able to do. KEB is a global company. It's really cool that I'm in a group chat with people from Spain and Germany, and I've done learnings with them. They're going to be using our product, testing our product. It's also cool to see on LinkedIn when it's like, oh, this elevator drive is in this application and it's in Dubai or something. And that's kind of the ideology here. It's, they gave me all the tools that I need. My communication skills have really improved. Yeah, my software engineering skills have improved. I tell my friends all the time if I didn't have this job, I'd probably be a way worse engineer. It's not just computer science, but we have many different engineering disciplines, and we all work tightly together. It's a great community. Yeah, I would definitely recommend KEB as an internship. I couldn't ask for a better place.